basic C program. Mainly we face this problem, no such file or directory. This issue have created by two mistakes. So I will fix it. First we mistake the file name. Here my file name is myfirstcode.c. Here I mistake space. So I need to remove this space. See, my then a blank space. So remove backspace your keyboard. So I remove this blank space and enter. And now I have no blank space. We can set one word to another word directly, non-space, or you can use underscore. I fix my mistake and now run. I hope code will run. Yes, hello world. My code is running. Save, update your code, save and run. Yes, my code is smoothly. So I hope you already fixed your issue. Then now I show you second issue. Yeah, this is my folder path, and if you by mistakenly go on this back, like open my terminal, at this moment if you build you same issue is see no such file or directory. By mistakenly go one folder back. So now I go my project folder, cd, type my project folder name c_code. Yeah, this is my project folder. Now I build my project and then I run. Yeah, I will just save and again I run. Update. So I hope your problem already fixed, and if you feel this video is helpful, you can subscribe my channel and also you can share your opinion by comment. So thank you.